that it's made by Nokia. It comes in 3 colors, black, orange and gray. It has some pretty low specs. It has a VGA camera, it has Bluetooth for listening to music or for calls. It has quite a big battery, I can say. So the capacity is small, but because this phone doesn't use that much electricity, it can go up to 22 hours on talk time and 25 days on stand-up by. It has radio FM, space for a micro SD card in order to put music on, MP3 player, and well, this is the box. Inside you'll find the phone, the battery, an instructions manual and the charger. So let's break the seal. It's pretty transparent. Okay. The first thing that we see is the phone. We're going to put this aside. The charger. It's a micro USB charger. It outputs about, let me check. You can see as well, 550 milliamps. This is the battery. And here's some paperwork. Okay, so that's it inside. And let's do a quick review of this phone. Okay, so here's the camera, the speaker, this is the phone, and it opens here. Okay, it has 2 SIMs. This is the battery. I'm going to put this in. Pop the cover back. And power it on. So its keyboard is illuminated. This is going to be great at night. I'm going to select English now. Okay, see that? Okay. So I'm going to set the time later. Yeah. So this is the phone. I see that my camera has some problem picking it up. Okay. So inside the menu you have messages, MP3 player, clock, agenda, a cal log, the camera. So it needs a memory card in order to take pictures. It's a pretty bad camera, as you can see. But I think it's powerful enough for an elder man or who's going to use it. It has some games. Okay. So let's see what games. Snake, Airstrike, Danger Dash, and Ninja Up, Nitro Racing. It has quite a few games actually. Let's see some Snake. Yeah. It's not that responsive actually. The keyboard is very mushy and it has some delay. It's not going to be great at games. No flies in here. Here you can see your photos, but we do not have a card. The calculator. A voice recorder, a video player, Bluetooth, a calendar, a flashlight. Let's see. Where is the flashlight? Oh, it's up above here. Nice. And the settings. Yeah, basically this is the phone. It's going to be alright for somebody that is pretty old. The only bad thing about it is that it has a small screen. Okay, so in the second part of this video I'm going to explain what the specs of this phone are.